Bangong Lake is the treasure of the people of Rutog County in Xizang. In summer, along its shores, bar-headed geese and black-necked cranes forage with their chicks, while brown-headed gulls fly in flocks, creating a vibrant scene of life. In the distance, snow-capped mountains are reflected in the lake, presenting a magnificent and majestic landscape. In recent years, Rutog County has invested over 55.8 million yuan in the continuous protection and restoration of the Bangong Lake wetlands, making the lake ever more beautiful. Under the guardianship of the people of Rutog, this stunning lake will continue to bloom in its dreamy blue hue, like a long-necked swan, high on the plateau at an altitude of over 4,000 meters.